Pinky, me ain't know so me dead.
What do you mean?
Only when somebody dead in your family you hold your head like your ball. What do you?
What is a thing about something?
What?
What is a thing about something?
What, baby girl? What kind of pre?
What is a thing about something, mama?
Talk to me, baby. Talk to me. You can always talk to me. Stand up, stand up. Then they can hurt me for look though.
What am I calling him, Chinese? Feel like a bad man.
Bad man you for?
Because she may have a little boyfriend at school and he might give me $200 and $300 and she give me some bad fear.
So hold on, Pinky. One year boyfriend and two him a give you $200-300 Jamaican dollar. So you not feel embarrassed about that?
Feel embarrassed for what?
Hey. Hold on. And that you feel so she bad mind you for?
Yeah.
$200 and $300?
Yeah.
Well, if that is the energy she give you, you just stand to the east and make she go to the west. You don't want them kind of friend around you.
I get about $200 and $300 and I'm give me money then.
What kind of money you give me?
Give me money then when you ask me for it.
Hold on. The little 2 times we go down a shop and shop $50 and $100 and come back.
Yes, and $150. $150 can buy one for something.
Okay, you're right. You're right. You can buy a whole heap of something. But since we start run a bill and a tab, let me tell you my bill. Right. Me carry you for 9 months. Me have stretch marks all over me. No, you run up bill, me run up bill too. Me stretch out my body, bring you in this world. You piss pan me, you shit pan me, you vomit pan me, you make me late for work and lose my job. Them 2 good job me did have. I'm late, sake of you. Alright. Me send you go to school, me buy you uniform. Me reach $150 yet?
Mommy, tell me
send the taxi here.
You go take me up and when me did there. God put me somewhere and you go resurrect me. And if you have time on me, tell us if you go and go find me and you find me. Send me to pay for them something there.
Let me tell you something. We all choose with family and we choose with destiny.
Your choice.
You could have gone to any family.
Yes.
You're glad you have a mother that loves you.
Yeah, me know I could have gone to a rich family. They would want me 150. Because now my 30 more 100 and I'm 150.
Okay, no problem. We'll give you 150. And then you give me your tab that you owe me for the past 18 years. No, we are on tab now. We are on tab. You're on tab so much you don't even hear your phone vibrate. And you're the young one.
Oh, hello? Girl. No, my dear. My mother just they talk to me say she feel like a bad man.
What you say what? What you say what? What you say what? Nobody tell no lie for me. Nobody tell no lie for me. A prank what? When you were there chat people, nobody call my name in it.
Nobody.
Huh? Don't do it. Me no prank so. And don't prank me so. Don't prank me so. You know say me no run them the kind of joke. No tell no lie for me on phone and style me.
Joke. And she leave me. Oh. May I come down then? Alright. Let's walk home. I'm up on the road. Let me about.
And it's the same Shanice, you feel so bad man, as soon as you phone you run down.
I'm afraid of the one that you me have.
You don't need friends like that. Them name friendly me.
Me no need mother like you, name mother me.
Hey girl, don't rank with me in here before you come out here. Me and you no size.
Thank you.
Morning. You alright? Pinky na there.
Good. I beg me I come back or something.
Me no come beg you come back. Can you ever come back about Pinky? Where you beg now?
I beg little Fab to wash out my clothes.
Tash,
Yes, auntie.
you know, so you can talk to me, right?
Yeah, me I talk to you now.
Mm-hmm. You're a big girl, 18-year-old, same as Pinky. So
Yeah.
you not no little boyfriend?
Auntie, me not tell for man right now.
Talk the truth.
Auntie,
Come and know, me, remember, see me was 18 once, you know.
auntie, me not no man. Me not time for man now. Man, I waste of time.
Me I ask you again, you know, Tasha, you know, so when me ask you questions for much time, you know the answer already. You have a boyfriend?
Auntie, I already ever start talk.
Mm-hmm. So, you have a boyfriend now. You can't buy your little fab. The other day, you come, and you come into the house, and you ask for toothpaste. When me go back into the bathroom, all my toilet paper, my last toilet paper. Me not even look, me go sit down and do my business. I'm turn around, toilet paper gone. Me have to run outside, go get cocoa leaf. You have to make your man buy your things, man.
Like, give me Fab. I show me. Auntie, you not buy me nothing.
So I make. So you give away for free everything.
No, me not give me it.
Tash,
Yes, auntie.
me not going to be here forever, you know. Me not run no little shop in my little board house, you know. You see where me live in a board house. Me a plan to knock it down and concrete it up before you and Pinky Ban and still can't reach there yet.
Auntie, liquor is much when God is in it. So no worry.
You have a man. You have to make them start buy your things
Auntie,
here.
just the penny one topic, auntie.
Yes, because every minute you come round and you try style like the pig you raise, me no raise the mother and the granny not dead already. Alright. See the fab there. Take little bit.
Little bit.
Cause me have my washing for do, me have Pinky washing for do, and me not get nothing till next week. So you see his quarter bag, take a little bit, yeah?
I see your clothes in a bad pant too.
Yes. Carry, come let me give you some. Tash, carry the fab, come let me give you a little. Me know you already. Come on, sis. That girl. I want it. You forget who me be? Make me put on my proper shoes and come find you. You think say this a joke? Where you come from?
One man, man, no, sir. Sorry.
What?
Just foolish. One man, run me down.
Come on, man.
Yeah. Boy.
Come on.
Look at so.
So where do you come about,
Don't worry about that. If you give me money. Boy.
Come on, calm down.
Mister.
Calm down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, calm down. Madam, man, I run it down. How you get fab?
Don't worry about that. If they give me money. Yeah.
If me I give you money, me not no money now for give. You know already, me tell you, say me not get no work yet. You look work, me do want to get. We then spread out the man, me not get it. And me give you $1,000 day before yesterday.
See that little clothes me go wash out now.
You should have made that serve you, man. You could have buy one fab. So you don't have nothing to have cook. I'm hungry now, man.
Where's that?
You don't have nothing. I got nothing.
Nothing around there, not a thing around there. Not
Yes,
a
I
thing.
take me up, man.
Eh?
Yes, I take me up.
Well, I don't know what to say and I don't know what to say.
So you have nothing to for them?
No. Oh, me a bulla. Want it?
Yeah. I'll get some bulla. Me can't run buckle of water. I'll get some buckle of water.
Me a sugar you can.
Water there stand pipe with me.
No, no. How?
Yeah, me make sugar and water. That good.
Yeah, good. Later.
Yeah, I wash you go wash.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember two of me short same.
Alright.
Yeah. I make some sugar and water. Excuse me, young man. Excuse me there. Good morning.
Morning.
You see a young lady rushing past here? Is my niece. She's slim. I have a pink bonnet on her head. And you would have noticed her because she have a back pan and fab.
What's that, sir?
She in a brown trousers. And she's...
How she do?
You know, so my little niece, you know, she just rise up my spirit, right? Everything she come in my yard and I come back. And she have a man, you know. Young man, let me ask you something. Guy, you think that right?
No, you're auntie, so you can't get one little thing, man.
No, man. You have a man, man of these days, I'm supposed to stand up and look after them woman. If me ever buck that man, you know.
Rasta, I don't know if I know it, but it's not every man have it. It's not every man have a money.
Then they shouldn't look woman.
Every man can get a job.
Then don't look woman.
Some people now get a job because the place they come from. You understand? They cannot say every man have the money.
You see, when them have them money and them have them job and them 2 foot, then them can look and mind a woman. Or some man running a too quick man and then frightened for woman. It now run where, you know, we not run where.
Yo, your niece how much?
She's 18.
So she can't have a man. She
that's supposed to provide for her. Everything on me. Everything on me,
so. She like a money man.
Like on a man, on a for learn, for look after on herself before you take on the woman.
That age, she should find a nice young man
that can look after her, yes?
What's a bill with her, you understand? Bill with her, the two of them get money together. Sometimes you find the rich one, they don't want them.
I true that still.
You know me I talk about Rasta. You understand them things they you have to meds.
No man. But seriously, man, the thing perplexes me. Eh? I mean, I got Leonard the thing and she run and them the bad vibes and bad company me don't want here, you know.
Just calm down,
certain man and a good man.
Let's talk to her. You understand?
Me not like certain things.
You're right here.
So you live around here?
I don't, so me live.
Oh, and you not see her none at all?
No, I don't see nobody where you talk.
Yes, she would have run because she don't know.
Probably she take the shortcut through there, so. And come back out, probably.
No, cause there's a hill and she not like walk uphill, much less run. She not like walk uphill. So me know she not thank you, but me know she not take that way. I go find her, you know, I go buck her. Yeah, but remember me tell you, you know, you have a girlfriend, young man?
Me? No, man, me not no girlfriend, man. Me just say I go and transpose, you know.
Alright, you have a job and thing?
No, that's why, you know.
That's take my hand. That me love. That is responsibility.
I have no job. And me search for a job. But me soon get a job still.
Yes.
It's two place, not them place. When I come from the ghetto, they don't want to give me no job. Because I have a background.
Yes, we know everybody get tired.
Me papers and things, you know. But they don't want to give me a job. They think me a robber and thief.
No, sir. Sometimes you have to pretty up their dress, you know. Sometimes you have to pretty up their dress, man. Cause like say, this is Jam West, Negril. You just put Jam Negril.
When you're born in a Yasso, your address stamp on your forehead. Boop.
Well, come out to the parish then. You're a big man, step out. If there is no opportunity around you, you make one. Either start a business, buy 2 bag juice and sell them till you can buy 4. You know, have it. Come, you see?
You see? When me go ask other people, they don't have it. They have for them one thing and take care of me. Can't go ask people. They have for them one thing and take care of me. I don't know what to
tell you still. But me like how you're independent, you try get independent, stand up on your own 2 foot them.
Yeah,
then you can look at a woman that you can support.
God give me them to stand up.
Aye. So that me love, me like hear that. And you see from your try, you will get through. Yeah? Alright. Now look here. Alright. Bless. If you see her, not tell us.
Nobody beat her, you know.
Hey, you see when me done with her, our man want to know. And me want to know what this man a take on woman then can't mind.
Nobody beat her.
God bless.
I'm giving pay for a man, you know.
I'm still now with. No way to talk.
I wonder which size man I got. 6 on the board. Come like something wrong with my hand them.
So I go on.
But then I wonder how she knows to feel friend. Like me. I wonder if I tell her things about me so much I feel like
My friend.
Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm a different friend. I love none of my friends like you.
Sure.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That me just say.
Things that not go on fish, I don't know about it.
No, I wonder though.
So we can chop some money for the line and things.
Girl,
For what?
what kind of prank call you come prank call me this morning?
No, girl. I look
6. Would never expect you to do that, girl. Out of everything else.
I got to sell for twin books. I chose to do them.
Never really believe you. Because you say so.
What me say that for? What me I say that? Anyways, so
They are not tickles.
yes. Oh, tomorrow I'm gonna get something here. Come and I will have it too.
Tomorrow you give me. You give
So I
me.
go in and I give me, you know.
Yeah.
So I go.
Something.
Yeah, give me tomorrow.
One money.
You know, back talk, we are talk the day so make too much noise. What you mean something? I want to know how to talk
I
about.
wish they just want inquisitive in the people life.
Push me in the loop.
Oh, me I give my money to buy weed and romance.
Same thing me and weed man and rub man what you talk about, girl. Eh?
So what? I don't have no more. I don't have no more. I don't have my home.
Say I give money for buy weed or something. What you
Because I'm a friend.
Your friend. Sure.
It does the Easter come.
Why you not take me sure? I don't man I want.
Because me not expect that to happen me while we come from this school days till now. I want to go talk and me don't know about that.
Chinese.
Because I go up here to put in some work, you know.
Alright, babes.
So me dial up there work.
Yes.
I bring on things so would I get back some car back, you know. Me can't say car back, you know.
Alright, so tomorrow I'm going to come get.
Nah.
Want me get it, yeah?
Yeah man, come check my payali.
Alright. Yeah, bye.
What do you mean nothing?
Girl, listen. I don't want the boy. I don't want him. Girl, hear the boy say my dial. Dial my dial.
And you have to give him cigarette or weed money?
Listen up, me I give him something to get back something. Cause when me give him the cigarette and the weed money, he say, yes, you go down nice and sick when him start dial and start making big cash. They go and start run money, he go run money too. You know
You look like he might make it.
Him
look
too
like
make
he
it. Believe in it, him too make it.
Nah, believe in another one dear.
Why you not believe in him? You know here every day, you know we are go realize every day you see the boy say him go dial. You know what dial mean?
Yeah, but every day my dialing I see him clothes.
The boy have clothes up on here. Come
I don't know about that clothes. They from school days.
Me go up on me, they no go up on me.
Where you go up and I go do?
Cause me I try to talk to him, so him can give me the dial money. You vex?
Vex you what? Me not like him. I'm afraid. Me just never expect him to talk.
Me never expect it, you know, when I talk.
What you do then?
We are scam each other. He must scam them, me I scam him. You understand? You should understand.
I hope you scam and scam good. Me can't go home.
So you go as me come here so?
Because a long time I dey here so.
Bang! Just say you're a bad man. My mother did tell me that you're a bad man. You know. I never want to listen.
Talk to this girl. Tash! Tashoy! Please miss up. I shall Tash! Tashy boo! Tash! Hi, young man.
Hello, long time person, where are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm fine.
Listen. You know my niece that live here, young slim girl. You see her on the lane because
Oh,
she
the
should be here.
young slim girl called Tash.
You know her, you see her?
You know saying sell your house to my uncle.
No, this house. She live at this house. Me don't know no other Tash. My niece.
I see
She's
him
slim.
short girl man named Tash. That's she had Tash.
Sell what house?
Eh?
Sell what?
You sell your house to my uncle.
No man,
My
no
uncle has
man.
some business. I don't know what kind of business, but he has some business and he sell your house and sell your land. I tell you the truth. You never know about it.
So how much you buy it for?
Much you buy for? 150,000 in buy for. Fantastic.
No, sir, no. Let me tell you something about me, young man. Me not run certain kind of joke. Here, me run certain kind of joke.
Like a joke me I make. I'm joking.
My sister house could never sell. Cause first start, Tash don't have no deed for sell my sister house.
Me no know what they in I know, but some paper signed. My uncle, and she signed some paper. You see me right now? The uncle they are fine and they want to sell back the house right now. They're online.
No, man.
Look up online and see it online.
Housing trust. Your uncle. Wait name? Give me him number. Me have to meet your uncle because I true you talk. Me not run certain joking on my youth.
Say sell. Tash no matter say she sell your house. I said this wicked. How can girl that?
Sell my sister house. I mean I know.
You have got search with Tash and find Tash and see.
You see her? You know where she there?
Me no know. You can't tell her.
You know.
Me can't
a true thing you tell me? Coming out in a certain joke,
I'm not lying. I swear to God.
Backside this. My sister you tell her me no know.
All the land, all the pumpkin tree, every plant over the cell belongs to my uncle. Banana tree, all the light post tree there belongs to my uncle.
Take my number. You have a phone? Take my number.
See it, I put in it.
Because
so good one.
What's your uncle name? What's your uncle name?
Your uncle. I try to find out a lot of things now.
No, I need to know what going on because this is my sister yard.
But
and my sister yard.
That's Shelly.
She don't have no people to set up.
I saw you going on, so when you're a man in business, why rub you will sell all your food. You know what?
Alright. Tell your uncle for phone me, yeah? Tell him don't make dear pass on him the phone the number, yeah?
Yeah, man.
This yeah, let's sweet. My pressure rise up. No, sir. No, sir. My let little girl sell my sister house. She where Tash there?
I'm finna know what Tash there for me to touch some money.
Every minute to now back to your bench. You know the little girl sell the house? You know, say she sell the sister.
Me know we have to
come on now back to your bench.
Me and not about the back to your no bench.
Jesus Christ.
Me don't know about no house. I'm finna know your sister house.
Hey, tell me something. You know, and you never tell me.
Mama, me don't know about no house in mine. Yeah, me there from mine. I'm finna know Tash sell house. Call her me not see Tash.
You didn't know say she's so wicked?
Are your niece? Are you supposed to know?
Are your cousin the two on the grow up together, on the grow up in a cat together?
Are your sister house? I'm
who you raise vice to?
Because
you raise your vice to me, man. My pressure take me.
I don't think I sell no house. That's over there. Cause you see for yourself at the house?
No. The house lock up, right? I'm come and I check that. You know Tash, if she not over my yard a beg, she ever in the yard.
I bet you the right? A beg,
no man, cause she come tea some fab from me.
Fab? Somebody can tea fab?
Tea fab from me. Me tell her, let me give her a little. She run up. I saw me she don't know so she turning up.
Fab?
A little bit of fab. And the girl run off and me look fear for pepper because you don't thief from your own. You don't thief.
So you buy a penny fab, pa? Yeah, this is bad. I talk about house. I talk fab. Listen to me now. Yeah, talk about how the girl sell the house. If you sell the house, cause if I auntie and him I beg your fab, and go on so.
Hold on. You're going so with me out the street, little girl.
Me?
Little girl, you're going with me so out the street. So you take her aside now. You take her aside now. In the house, see me grow up in that.
Where you going? Why tell me say mad when you're on something?
I'm on the man around me down what me I tell like.
When you run off and me I walk down the road, one Rasta lady see me and say, if me see one girl and one bandit I run fast and so. And me ask you, me ask the lady, who is you to her? She say, you're her niece and you thief her fab from over here and run gone.
Me TV. I buy a shop and she see me and say she wants home. Look where they.
You buy that little bit of fab shop?
No, me buy me fab. I a shop and she see me and say she wants home and eat and me give her some. And me tell her say me have clothes for wash and take. And look what me have to run off with the farm and the bad pan.
You don't like me just ban.
Ciao.
You don't like me just ban. That tell me lies.
Where would that tea from my auntie?
Huh?
Where would that tea from my auntie?
That's true.
Alright.
So you say you come over to watch, you're not gonna watch.
I'm tired, I'm so go watch. I'm hungry.
She look for you now.
Eh?
She look for you.
I'm so going car, man.
So ring car.
Yeah.
Carry back the lady father.
I feel the father me buy.
Where you get money from?
You save money?
From who? You talk to somebody else and I don't know about?
No. I mean, cousin see me and give me $500.
You know, say, yeah, tell me like smartly. Your cousin see you. First time you buy, you know your cousin see you and give you money. Who
Yeah.
story you go with?
Because you see me and give me $500, I'm going to buy the farm. And then my auntie see me and say she wants some. And she don't know to hold on my farm, so I have to run down for the farm and the bad pan.
Look, this is a new band fab.
A new brand farm to me crush your crush up.
So, this a fab come way up and so. And she used to come way down and so.
Yeah!
How much she a wash?
Me don't know. She love beg.
It's okay. Get up and go wash the clothes. Yeah.
Me tired.
Get up and go wash the clothes. Where Buddha? Where say Buddha?
In the kitchen.
Because guess I take me up right now. Get up and go wash the clothes, man.
Make me feel run off to you like you're a picnic.
You can't do no.
No, come and vex.
You can't do no.
The vex.
Let's say Yakos about the same thing.
Yes, because between you and Tash, and I rise up my pressure, man.
Me and rise up paper shot and I meet the farm.
If you never leave the fab outside, she would get to
Hello,
keep it
don't
and run
blame
gone.
Papa me because then I bet what the farm, you bet what she sell the house. They walk at your house. This is your house and this is supposed to work, so I'm not sell.
You could never.
Me can't do anything.
You could never. You could never.
Anyways, I want to go wash my clothes. Them send them from another day.
Hey, that is why I always say, when you're done with the things, then bring them back inside.
So me
Your
Tash
cous-
come take
go-
the farm?
Oh, if you never leave it out here, Tash wouldn't be able to teeth it. So go to your cousin for fab. Me nah none leave.
I'm going to go to him. Look like him run out when he sell a house. Kind of why you get the night money. Where far? Because
Oh, me want to know how she can sell my sister house without paperwork. Eh? She not realize that jail she go go.
I got deal with you just into this house business. Are your house?
Girl, raise your voice to me one more
Me
time.
just ask you, mommy, you get to one.
And my sister house. Huh?
This
Yes. That is the family home. If you
yours.
forget, that is the family home.
Did you get
my
it?
neighbor's string cut and buried in there.
Dig it up back. Why go dig it up back? Dig it up back and tie
I
it.
get ring confused, you know.
I'm going.
Me notice somewhere there.
Listen.
You think, say, me and you
Shaman,
are
me just
signed.
a-
Shaman?
Everything
Who
you
named
hear me
Shaman?
for.
Who named Shaman?
I'm just talk to you because boy you want so far.
Can we notice say you get bright up from me? Sure you get little body weight, eh?
Yeah,
you think
but-
say you overweight, be oversized,
My
mommy?
simple as I tell you, say, mommy, calm down. Everything you got to take over, take for leg for. I'm simple saying to you, right? Listen, I'm simple saying to you, say, mommy, it is not your house. You don't worry about this. Don't worry about that. If your neighbor chick cut that here, get me go around, they go dig it up back, bring come give you. Since your neighbor chick can't worry about. Mommy, come go.
Hold on. No.
No, me
No. You notice me quiet. No.
Mommy,
You
stop.
notice me quiet. No. When me I listen to the redness and the foolishness.
No.
You notice me quiet. You notice me quiet though. Look at me. You notice me quiet. And as big as you be, you still don't realize the signs, don't it? You still don't realize the signs. Me mad.
Yeah, get the believe me.
Because you give me reason. You give me reason.
Station, can you
Go to police station. And me take the police and lick you too. Me take the police and beat you too. Eh? Bring them, come bring the whole damn squad. Me take every squad and beat you. Rank with me again. You could have 50 little girl. Me still your mother. You hear that? And you don't put your hand on my door till me say me done with you. Me not done with you yet. Don't pass your place. Me notice say you follow bad company.
I'm gonna go over this.
Eh? You have man. Come here, fool. Now rank with me, whether it be man or a friend company. Remember me and your mother.
Yes.
Me give your life and me will take it.
Yes.
Hey, girl! Watch me and you. Watch me and you. Sure. Me want to do everything, man. Me want to cook, clean, wash. Oh, you wake up.
Yeah, good morning. Later.
Later, come here, Trish. Do, please, and thanks. You don't feel so tired. You don't feel so you can wake up and help me do something in the yard, man, or in the house. Huh? Me to do everything.
Yeah, I bet you.
You don't help me cook, though. You don't help me with the shopping. Eh?
Yeah, wait. When I say shopping, what do you mean? You can't go shopping, you can't give me money, you can buy what you want to buy.
Talking of that, you don't feel safe to get a little work. Huh? Anyone?
It's not even a month since I turned 18. Let me just experience the life of being 18 a little bit first. We think about work next year.
Alright, you want to think about work. If you think about work for a long time, because you always want money. You have to work to get money.
That's why I have mother.
Oh, me a bank now. My name's Scotia.
You wake up me from one go on the road. On the road me I go right now.
As you say, you're tired of 18. What you plan to do with your life, Trish?
Well, as first, I'm from big woman now, so I got experience big woman life now.
You think you're ready for big woman life?
What do you mean?
You're 18 in age. You're not
You think
18
me ready to help you clean up the yard?
If you can't clean up a yard, you have to clean a yard before you clean abroad.
No, me think me have to start off with outside first.
No, baby girl. You have to dance a yard before you dance abroad.
That's
You have to
all
help.
people.
And that's what bring we so far.
That's uno.
You have to help, man. No man, no nasty woman, you know. You have to know how to
So
cook.
girls are nasty.
So that, what else?
We know to make cup soup. We can make bag go.
And you don't know how to clean up, man. You have to clean up. If you stop leaving drawers all over the place. You use the dishes, you leave it down there, same place. That's what I mean. That's
I
what
live with you. Over there says me live with a man, me not gonna be different, man.
That's why you're 18 in age, you're not 18 that's all. You know, if you start experience big people thing till you're at least 22, 23 before you start the big people thing.
Not too long.
No, Trish, man, it no look good.
When you say 18, so when we reach 18, me a big man. Reach 18, so me a big man. I am going outside to experience bigger man things and come back.
You're not ready for that. You're not ready for that. I know what you're talking of.
Mommy, me soon come because you're not listening to what me saying. You want me hear what you say, you're not listening to me. I am going whether you like it or not. I am going to experience bigger man things and come back. When me come back, me tell you about it. If me not like it, me do it out. I'll soon be back.
Boy, oh boy. Little girl who not here will feel. And feel some me talk out of my mouth for nothing. Yeah, try to talk to your man. Sure.
Alright, me.
Then me no must alright, you have to ask me, no me there, so.
I want to talk to you about something differently, you know.
What that, talk.
I see you have this style in a yard. But anytime you take your phone from you, you have grab it back and go like you want to drape me up.
No, I do certain things on my phone deal with. You don't want to see with the past or happen with me like past.
What your password in your phone? Delete it. Why don't you delete it?
You can't delete it, you know?
Me don't get over past it, B. If you got say what do you mean start link?
But that not say me ready to start a brand new future with you and you hold on for the past. That to me say relationship now gonna reach nowhere.
Well, me have to go do it, but one day.
Yeah, you know say me love you. And
Yeah.
you my heartbeat.
You know me love you too.
So that's saying if you stop me not like you have something to tell you. Me call you out of so come and want the neighbor them hear with business. You have some look style, they go like you want overpower me, like you want beat me. I mean in a beating style, man.
No, I will never do that. I will...
Mom, to what day when you hold me down on the bed and choke me. Choke me want to go in your phone.
Oh,
Oh.
choke, no be, you know, so normal prayer. Oh, when me do it in my bed and me a hold and they kind of squeeze it harder than how me do that choke you you never come.
No, that different, man. That different.
Oh.
The one day you fight me and for the phone and I want to see why in the phone. Sometimes you did then you text and you hold the phone over so.
So,
you need to change your style.
so when you're in your phone, me a complain, me ever want to see in your phone?
But you can't look in there, don't me not hide nothing. But just please change. Change, man. You know me love you.
Relationship no come with by searching phone. Leave searching phone out of the picture. No
Okay.
relationship with her.
You have a relationship with Ina, but certain things if you change, man. You know me love
You
you.
feel a phone shop with your work.
It can be a phone shop. But no worry. You have a new hairstyle now. Go do your head for you.
I do it to 17 of this month.
How much you do it?
About 5,000.
Girl, I don't know you so me coming now.
Call me Alpha.
Call me ready for your man now, girl. Hi, good evening.
Well, on there.
Evening.
I so talk to you, babe. Get up there. Go to the yard. I want to talk to you about something. Me have to go talk to my friend. Yeah. Me know where you here. Your girl star.
Let me go inside now.
No, man. Just go to the yard. I look for something for me eat. I'm hungry. For man, me not eat, man. Go for something for me eat, man. Go on done.
Hey, man. Girl, I turn 18 3 days now.
Me, Bob. Trish.
Eh?
You walk from all the way up your yard. You come tell me say you want man.
No, me don't come here yard to tell us I'm ready for the man when you promise me.
Girl, listen to me. Me tell you the truth. You see right now, you don't believe if you there with no man. Me think if you focus on yourself, me think if you take up yourself and go on hard school and get something. Don't do like me, you know. You can't manage man. Me a all tough turbit. Before
Girl.
end up like a me girl, go school, go back and
From
go
me
hard.
16, me wait for the man. You say when me turn 18. Me turn 18, I'm going to get you 3 days.
Don't worry
but
yourself.
I'm ready for the man now, girl.
Check me back when you're 20.
Suppose me not live for 20.
You're gonna live for 20.
Girl, me ready for the man. Me ready for the man right now. We can't wait no longer.
Me sorry, but me
Me
not
not have no money for go no school. What do you mean?
Man, no man for you.
So when man the way been promise me? I ain't not take.
Your brother get a my man that.
So when man the way
Me
promise
can't
me?
promise you my man. It not easy.
So when man the
Me not
come on good on, cause me not like that business on the roadside.
My girl, me tell us me not no man to give up. Alright, come in girl. You didn't want something to eat me?
No, I'm never get the chance.
So now is the bathroom and come.
Hi.
What's up?
Me get a minute now.
Yeah.
Come on, son. No, come to first.
Oh,
What?
there, man, you're good.
Yeah, my name Shani, so me a Kayla. Think best friend. Me not sure another friend.
Oh, she must tell her what my name already, car.
No,
she
she
loves
not
her.
really talk about it.
Oh, tell me my name.
Oh, say you're not a single friend.
Oh, you mean me have a whole lot of them?
So you can give me one.
Yeah, how much?
18.
Oh, you're a big man then.
See? That me I tell my mother. Mother tell me to wait till me at 22. She all you know. She born back in the 1870s.
So, what you type?
I'm like them.
Fat.
No, not fat, thick.
Oh, thick.
No, they can't. Me just want a man. At the first, me I got have one. Me no business honesty. As long as it's not ugly.
Think me figure Delray, you know. Delray would have fit, you know.
You just sound old. Then another one. More one young.
Alright, me have one uncle short, nigga, short friend named Johnny Backfist. The man they wassy, and the man they love spend per woman.
Remember when I have much time because the bathroom is.
Oh, true.
Just set a link for me.
Alright.
Yeah, and let me know.
So yeah,
I want mosquito me a try kill girl, but mosquito got him, I can't believe him.
Sabi,
So me I come home now.
me a talk to you, come. Start look about something. Me hungry man, me hungry, Lord of God man. As me like so.
If you not top strong for him, he beat me. So me have to match up on film level. As me I say. Me not man with you. I am
No, girl.
Ha! You have to go.
Get that salt out with her.
As if mommy I get that sort.
Yeah, so me I say me I go over. Me get to deal with already.
Man did over here.
No, man did over here, but me know me get one.
Okay, oh man.
Yeah.
So you
So
come here talk to say if you got heart.
me no want go no art. Me no understand that. Me alright. Man will give me money. Money will buy food, pay rent, buy light bill. Later. Me I go over.
Damn time. Not even the rubbish you can carry out. Eh? But me now go on bike and walk. Me can't carry the rubbish. Come on.
Boy, new man in my life. My pum turn up.
Turn up which part? Hold on. Look how long you gone.
And
And you can't. No, so which
18 curfew done.
curfew done in my yard.
I know, man, your pum ever touch when you're 18? Because I'm just a couple days away.
Hold on. What you say? Repeat it become old. Repeat what you say to me, sir.
Your pum ever get touched when you're 18? Because
What kind of pum touch when you're 18 you talk with me?
my pum soon touch me at 18.
Soon touch
you
me.
can't lick me now.
Soon
You
touch me.
can't lick me now.
Eh? You in my yard.
So you
I
think
mean,
me I stay here for long?
Where you go? Anything you do out the street, try not say you turn out the street. If you think say you're gonna bring no disease and belly in yourself, you have another thing coming.
Don't you want to be your grandma?
He's just 18 and I run down man for and I run down.
Because man short. You know, see, half of them are batty man. Man short.
Hold on. So you meet a man and you're gonna go the same way, so I saw it a jump. You know, meet a man and then start talk first. I'm
Okay.
tell you, so you're not ready for that. That's why I'm telling you, you're not ready
Can I tell you
yet.
something? You're in a jump long time. That's why you breed early.
Little girl, know what your chat said to me.
Me not run from you, know. The
Eh?
days of licking me is
Every
over.
time you do say you move,
Cause me have jumping jacks.
Lord Jesus.
Other piece of
Some nigga
and them
jumping
like
in.
them want rap and done with you know.
Why you
Where's something they fi pull the door?
Because the ancestors they want you to hear this.
Where's something they fi pull the door?
Weird.
Come so. What's something they fi pull the door?
You have to wait and listen. So the ancestors they want you to listen. And a man time.
At your time? Your time still.
Girl. Boy. Hey, everyone feel. Girl, SYM. You alright? Oh, me just say let me get it right? SYM, yes, SYM.
Yeah, tell me again.
Oh,
Yeah, tell me again. Figure
Awa.
fuck me mama. What happened to you?
What
happened to you?
Yeah, drop me, I'm
So
so
you tell me figure fuck my mother. For what happened to you? Every minute you do
We
that.
never tell you if you go suck your mother.
What do you mean?
If we tell you if you go suck your mother, but I can tell you straight.
Who this man?
Oh, what is?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
you grab me
yo,
up for?
sit down.
Oh,
Every
you
time
grab
you
me
do
up
your
for?
finish with me, I feel correct here, you know. You think that you me and your friend, how you feel like?
Hold on, what
Oh, you
me
just
say?
can't tell me.
When you get sucked your mother out of that, when me tell you that, when me come and tell you that, Pepper, eh? You know, some of your sound, when you come tell me that for? When me come tell you for suck your mother, me come tell you SYM and you drape me up. Imagine you mad.
I think what me fi do to you. Sit down, let me teach you something. You damn fool now.
Are you mad?
I must somebody
Are
hear
you
with that.
mad?
They kind of-
You never hear me come out. In all the years you know me, you never hear me come out with them the things to you. So what do you?
So what on there?
How me figure tell you for suck your mother and your mother grow me too? You're idiot sometimes, you know.
Me mama caca fat. Where
Your
you
mother
come
grow
from?
me too and make her tell you for suck your mother.
Oi.
You're idiot, man.
Hello.
You don't come cross my spirit.
Let me ask you one question. Where you get this from? Where you get this SYM thing from? You talk things where you don't know what I mean. Or must somebody, cause you could never out here right, man. You're damn right.
Hold
You
on.
can't tell me say something, mother. Where you talk about?
Why you keep telling me, Smith?
Why you tell me figure suck me mama what me do to you? And that me I say I'm tear out your friggin' big eye them. Who you tell figure suck mother? Where you hold up your mouth for? Awa?
And that SYM mean?
And that you make come out of your throat. For me and your friend such a long time, you really have to figure something, mama.
Pepper.
You want me to tell me mother say you say?
No.
Me figure suck her?
Jesus, you can't tell her that.
After she give you so much shit for me.
No, Pepper. Hold on.
Go, man.
I don't think really mean.
You know, you tell me figure something mother for
No, sir. My daughter tell me that this man and I talk about code. And I tell me, the last thing she walk out in and I smile and I walk out, boy say SYM. So me think say something nice. She can tell me that this watch me on the dirty wretch.
What you idiot? One time mom figure something mother. She take one big stone and lick in your damn big forehead. Idiot.
Oh God, yeah man. They're sweet and nice. I can get them for chopping little jelly. Boy.
Good morning.
Hi miss, where you go so?
Oh, me go get my garden water.
Where you go what?
Get me garden water. When your daddy used to talk in a code, you should have fixed it up because me don't know it already.
What you know about garden water, girl?
A code. The code you used to use.
And I come out and I talk to me about garden water. You
Mommy, listen to the next code, yeah. SYM.
SYM. Hold on, come back. Which kind of garden you go water? SYM. I'm not so Josh. SYM.
Charmaine. So why as you see me you start holding it over there?
No, me did just look on the dirt.
No. Yeah, as if you come good. But you mean I'm holding up me and see you. You come good as you see me. Say I'm there so. You hold it over this now. You don't need to do that no more, Charmaine. The past are the past and the present are the present. You take my money in the past, well, I left him here, I find a better man. You do me a good favor, I know.
For real? I mean, I want to drip some up like the last time, you know?
I'm not drip here, I'm not have no. But done with all of
Like
that.
how you have the buckle beside you?
I'm done with all of that.
Alright.
Sit down here, two man. Sit down right here.
Alright, my friend. Well, between you and me and God, I'm sorry about that. You know, say, you jump out of frying pan in a fire.
My God, you're there again. Well, no forgive you.
Thank you. But I'm my fault. I didn't do no background check. You never tell me say I have nobody, you know?
Well, next time you look funny, you say if you rub down, you know they have woman. Next time you look funny.
No, it me learn.
And when you rub down, they have woman.
Aye, that's true.
But when it coast, they don't have none.
He
So next
the
time you
same
look.
thing to me, so that's your way. So how you do? What you do back here?
Well, but they are going with my thing. Up on my farm work and them something there. Tell me the back here. So, anyway.
So farm work you did go do? Oh, so make we never see you for this long time.
I look at me and say, like, God, me and Charmaine a friend of me and you with a travel and they sitting there.
Girl.
But say, come man. You look man too much, man.
But one thing though, he never have no use. He never have no use. That's why you dash you so quick, you know. Me know. But yes, next time if you do background check for you, a good lesson to learn.
Okay. Well, me and your friend, me not have you up for that.
Alright.
I love you same way, but you what? Me want peace of man, ya girl. Him take care of me and all of that, you know. But boy, me don't know he come like the boy have woman for me. Yes,
you know
girl,
that?
'cause every time, one time he right I know. So me all text me, not text me back. So me want to know what him, but you say every time I call him can't talk on phone. Him there bathroom and him not like when time they on the toilet, nobody a call him and interrupt.
Hold on. So when you and him there hotel and I sleep in the one room with ensuite, you not smell him shit. So how him afraid to talk to you on phone?
Me no know what happened. Say no one here. You know want me hear the.
But I'm not afraid to do that with you right to the next room.
That me I say. That me I say. So me want to know what happened. Madam, let me see me I go about it. Me say you know me change my mind anyway, but me we figure out that one at that time.
The follow your intuition,
Cause me know say I must some money have, you know. A woman that boy they have for me. I go find out.
You have to do her worst so you do me, you know. Cause girl, truth is the truth.
But you know
you
me
deal with me, you know. All when I know my fault.
You know me.
You deal with me, man. So fear is fear. Anyhow, me pray say not true still. Cause you know man full.
You better make sure say I know you know.
No sir.
You better make sure say I am man thief.
Which part? I don't want to touch she watching on my face every time you see
you.
You know.
In your face, but me just have make sure say I know you this time.
Yes, me take your man, but me never know say you're my man. Me take. So never know say it's a next woman.
You go do your homework.
Me go do my homework next.
You go do your homework.
Go check first to see if it rub down.
When they eat, you go take him away.
Really, no,
you never know say that him do.
You not even do that good, girl.
That
So
you never get no good results.
Me get what the dog get.
But anyway, I love you same way, you know. So here one. You take care of
see
yourself,
if
baby.
anything, girl, just link me.
Me I go link you.
Link me. Me and you deal with the girl. Alright. I'll him with for beat too.
See Mala call me back here.
Because I can't get a private conversation. Alright. Blessed love, girl.
Call me, man.
Oh, you are over here? So nice.
Yeah.
Comfy man now.
The man.
Yeah.
I've come so far.
Me nah lie no. That way do a while ago wrong. Cause you're my friend there, but you did nice. Like it.
No.
Did hot though, but come on, try again. Money.
I'll go and baby. So time hot man.
I think I asked you to take off all your clothes and I'm going to take off your clothes in here.
Time hot man, me I like some shots.
Say no one exercise. I want that. Boom, but I'm supposed to be able to take out the puss on the house, me. Me take out the puss. Take out the puss, baby friend, I puss.
Come on, puss.
Me I'm going to your bathroom, no be. How about take out the puss? How about take out the puss? Me, how about take out the puss?
B, come in gone.
B.
Come in backside.
B.
Black puss.
Baby, tell you no, baby. You know I'm afraid I puss them, man.
Everyone say on my bed.
Remember the three puss them, me kill them, you know. If you murder them, man.
Hey.
Oh God, next time you lock it door. And if you lock it, so everybody you look thick and nice, so.
You do exercise, you know.
Say them friend want exercise for me in the bathroom.
You already know.
Yeah. So come on now. Come on, you look sweat up, so. This blasting man. I can say, get rid of the puss them. Get rid of the damn puss them. You're supposed to have a heart attack. Jesus. What happened to you?
Let me ask you.
Girl. You know, say I'm a man, you know. I'm a man.
When do you
Left and go up on the road early this morning, right?
Oh.
And the man knows I'm afraid of puss.
Oh my.
Me tell the man over and over. Me afraid of the puss, man. He knows I'm allergic to the puss, them, you know. Let me didn't know. I'm going out, I'm going to say, baby, you see in there, I was putting my exercise. Well, naked, when my exercise, and
Oh, man.
down, boy, my exercise, right? When me did that, me so go, me so go, meow, puss, puss, the man have an itty bed.
Animal.
Us. Animal, puss, what? The man come friend me now.
So we do.
What me do? Give me what me do.
Cause if you
I
do that,
run, me have to run. You could ask me
oh
from
my, I don't know.
let me have one big stone. But I fling you in that bed, I must be puss face. Cause you know I'm afraid of the puss and I make you puss come in your house.
That means if you did have one gun, you kill all the wrong puss.
What do you mean by that? Every puss over there, and my man own that.
You're damn
my
right.
man own every puss. Every
You're
puss
damn right, my friend.
Our.
And your man won every puss.
We can say that.
Later still, me a go, my belly
So we a go.
is hurting. Me a go home, my belly is hurting, me baby.
Don't get so rat guys.
sleep. But SYM. Watch me. Watch me.
Boy, my pum pum touch up, me no more virgin again.
So what?
Time I come and say, yeah, my pum pum touch up, me no more virgin
So
again.
sing the song let me hear, man. Sing the song let me hear.
Boy, my pum pum touch up, me no more virgin again.
Where you go? When you tell me SYM, make me I'll get lick out the street with my friend. What SYM mean? What SYM mean?
Who you tell?
What that mean?
Who you tell?
What that mean?
Who you tell?
Me nearly get lick up for you, you know.
Who nearly lick you?
What SYM mean?
You know, ask somebody will lick you.
Oh, so me you tell for the suck my mother. And me you tell for suck my mother.
Remember, say me a big man, so not wrong if me even tell you SYM again.
Oh, yeah, big woman, so a big woman punch you forget. A big woman punch you forget. Maybe go shame out the street. Shame out the street. Go tell Pepper SYM. Things are greeting. And she drape me up. Pepper.
Oh, she not drink.
She done drape me up good. She done try it again. Tell me SYM or what not again. You know for do them things. Me and your mother. Try that. Try it with me one more time. I may tell you what M and SYM you forgot to. Get inside.
SYM and M.
Stop telling me that. You think somebody don't know what you do? Try go inside now before me head check. But SYM. You gonna tell me for suck what? Watch me and you. No dinner tonight. Oh.
Yeah, but tell us that there is something off with him. And it's anytime I find out, it not go pretty. It not go pretty. Yes, I can assure you that. Because I search your phone and you delete out every chat, you delete out every message, everything out of your phone. So no, I can't understand that. I can't. You know what? Later I deal with you. Later.
Wow, girl.
So you just turn up and listen to my conversations, so what?
Because me and you tight like that, and me from me hear 2 words, me don't know what one. I am man I talk to, not sure.
My God, Shamin. So you just come over as come about in my
No man, come me want to say if him did that this, he would have deal with him case for you.
So wait there. Oh. So last time me beat you for my man and you want help me beat somebody for my man now.
I never tell you how we agree upon that.
Anyway, I love that movie. But anyway, how we are coming on?
Why? Me just go down the road. My daughter leave out the house for a long time. Tell me, say she a woman. Girl, me deal with my daughter. So,
Miss Charmaine.
what?
Good evening.
Good evening,
madam.
Good evening, ma'am. So,
My daughter.
Where? Shanice there. Where Shanice there? Come here, look for her from when you know.
Hold on. You ask me where Shanice then? I mean, if I ask you.
I don't know what part you there. Are you a mother? Me a friend and you're supposed to know about your daughter there.
Well, my dear, I don't know about you, but Shanice tell me say she turned big woman now. She's 18. And she gone on the road.
From when? So she got point where don't link me. I don't like she that.
Me no know, bro. Me no know what you young girls are do, eh? I don't know how to control anything, and they just walk up and down, and I give man and I look man. Eh?
Excuse
my
me.
daughter come in and I sing earlier. Say she get what not, like say what.
Listen to me.
I tell you, say them young people they do what we can do, you know.
Let me tell you this, Miss Charmaine. I never disrespect you yet, and don't make me disrespect you. You say if your daughter take more than
if you disrespect her, you disrespect me.
Humpy dumpy, me not talk to
Hey,
you.
little girl.
Relax.
No, how you talk
Relax.
to
If you disrespect Shami and the disrespect
Hello, me not
me
talk to
too.
you, you know. So lock chat me talk to she. When she that disrespect me, they say no.
I'm running like a piece of bed, girl, out of your face.
Tail, pissing tail, trigger foot, sensible, girl. You don't know me a hoe.
You don't know me or who?
Let me tell you this.
Me a big woman. And take your dirty foot out of my face while you deal with it.
You don't even know what is that.
Girl, move
Yeah,
out
come
of
for
my
skate
face.
and monkey.
Oh God.
Who wanna know how the zookeeper let you out?
Oh God. You don't feel bad, see you look in the mirror.
Can I say you're not?
You don't feel good, see you
You
look in
could
the mirror.
never be my
Oh
mirror.
God.
You're too damn, you're gone already,
Hush,
my
little
girl.
girl, before I deal with you.
Cause if you see
Before
if you're
I put you
let me
over
tell
my
you
knee and
this.
spank you.
Let me leave this. I left this a message with you. See if your daughter, I take 2 man one time. Don't use she and rub me, you know. Cause a one man never go underneath me.
Jealousy.
Oh, you're
You
right.
see, my daughter can get man, cause my daughter have shape and have manners and have
Me not
right.
listening.
You are living dopey. Yeah, man. You know, so some people
Call it
dead
the mattress.
and
She
waiting
take
to
me
bury
alive.
What are the 2 cousins? My grandma said that the 2
She
cousins
take
they
me
can't
all
talk to me.
Because you even do it.
No, me know why your daughter so
Yeah,
right.
you do it.
Yeah. My girl, go on with about your business.
You don't know she who you know.
Go on about your business.
You know what me know. Step.
Oh, me I come back and talk to you.
Skettle.
Go on about your business.
Come on, step skettle. If you want monkey.
Skettle. What was it? What? Step. Skettle. Skettle.
I'm hang on you.
SYM. Oh. I can drink, girl.
Come here, so boy, you come ask it.
I come in a big people argument. Oh. What you say about your man? Have you hear you talk about clear chat?
Clear. You see what they one time me tell us the man I call me? Me end up going on my yard. Anyway, and same dep on the toilet as what him say. But this one time I got searching at the man phone. Him put on him phone because 2 minutes there, him not have no lock on the phone. So him go make mistake and put on the phone. And it's when me go search your phone.
Oh God, girl, what you
Everything clean. I don't find nothing. I nearly dropped down.
So girl, you forgot to wake up a lot earlier because the early bird catch the worm. You know, so what I do? You know, so a red flag that. Where my clear chat for? Girl, I call you
Why,
for calling me.
Shami, I love the man, you know.
Somebody, you know.
I love the man so till me fool.
Yes, man, the fall, man. You have to turn up. Nobody fall in love. Well, the day is done. I turn up. We woman have to turn up now.
No, me go stand up, you know, but me, you know, so me still a pray, Shami. Me still a pray. Me still a pray.
Yeah, you tell you say that done long
The
time.
last time I them stop me and you tell me. Them encouragement you give me and when time me you know and when me.
You know what, I need this argument because the little skettle come screw my mind already.
So
I don't want to
anyway,
tell you what I don't want to tell you.
You just go on, I down the road me I go.
Oh God, so this one.
Later, mommy.
Later, hold on, little.
Every time me I come out and me say later you hold on little in a rip and top, man. Things I miss me out the road and I want good cute boy must pass already. You say no.
I saw you a jump for jacks.
18 years. Me no debt nothing. And if one time I get it yesterday it feel nice so me want to continue. Today me I look for a new target.
New target, but things say you find and a boyfriend you find.
No, just one day star. What do you call that?
No man, that would make your name Tinker Road.
Something I think about. Street light I feel have something to say. Me I go down the road.
You know.
One word must pass me say cause you hurry up and talk.
Oh, I can't talk to you again. You must have some self-pride, man, and
At
self-respect.
18 years me I walk with that. Me know how long me have now to live.
Yeah, you have to look for the future. Fresh. You have to look to the future. What you doing now, you know? You got is your history.
later.
People are gonna
So
look
come
back and
back. You tell me that. Sorry, man I miss me right.
anything you look for, you must find. You know, be careful.
Oh.
Girl, what one? How am I not see you from away?
Girl, me had to deal with some things right now. Me have my one personal business.
Anyways, I come to ask you, say, how when I hear the ask me about no man for ID? You find man?
No, me not find no man, but me have something to deal with, so
You might something I deal with. Explain yourself for me.
me alright right now.
Alright.
Until me find my man for myself.
So anyways, me here come down from the road, right? Me see your chigga foot head mama.
Oh.
Ula humpy dumpy. Can't be say that woman that disrespect me.
No,
I'm
your
brown
friend them.
lady.
I don't know her friend them. Our dear shots the pepper near the beat and the beat are good.
Your boyfriend?
One of friend them, the other one they see.
Well, me no business on which one. You can't be saying when I come on the road that disrespect me. Me say we gonna ask the woman if she see you or which part you there. The woman come on and
I mean, if you are gonna tell people me I go, me just tell later. Me stop tell her where me I go. Me reach it, get consent. Next month in due time, I will look for my ID. So when police stop me, fling in them face. Me don't really tell people where me I go.
me just realize something, you know.
What?
She did say you say you're big. So you
So me not big?
so should you take little something
You
under
did
there?
big. Me man fi give me little.
You say that take little something. So that don't mean say you're not virgin anymore.
No girl, I'm getting popping ready.
All I have to do when me meet your man.
Oh, I don't mind. No, in due time. No, next.
I don't hear man.
I'm not a man.
Well, I got me thinking so stressed to me that you're. Me just some people money are taking her.
Oh.
You know, it's not them a hard time, yeah. Yeah, big, yeah, but them money, you tell me like one matches stick with you, but it's any girl ever touch that, it was like he body ready. Me bust up a girl
Ready, man.
Ready. Oh. So me just say that camera come to meet me. Oh, me that one pan the road go do some business done to one.
How long you take?
Me take a very long while, you know, because your mother just
Oh, no. I see more I buy something for me downtown.
what that?
Oh, number 7. You buy one number 7 for me.
Alright, girl. Don't tell me you're your best friend.
And later.
Yeah, later. Remember, her mother say your mother not your mother.
Later. Go on.
Alright.
Are you ready? I go right now. Ami. What?
Yeah, one.
Come look for your camera, say. The girl not there.
Come like when you get one of your sweet.
Yeah, money. Kinda nice.
Yeah, one.
So I go and can't get nothing.
Well, I mean, man, nobody know me. Yeah.
So come then, no? Ready up.
Yeah, I'm already, you know.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I'm already.
I can't go on business before my friend can come here, no?
Yeah, one.
So me link you.
Alright.
Alright. Oh, Lord. Hi.
Oi.
Boy,
Oh, yeah, come from. Oi.
is that your chatter one? Me I go on business. I'm a friend.
Missy Kayla have a Burger King. I buy a burger to come up home. Where you come
Shut up,
from?
man. Something me got deal with. What?
I look for your clothes, I have a button up.
Me go get something.
I'll get something. You see, wait till Kayla come up.
You go tell her? What kind of man you be? You don't know so me can't pay something for you that much. You want some?
You never say that, man.
Oh, come
You never
on.
say that.
Which part you
But
live?
I say, come on up here. Up here.
Up your celly?
Yeah, up here to me.
So, if when me give you, then I'm going to help you.
Everything see you. You never see it.
Oh, alright.
How do you make you a answer?
Girl, me drop.
Oh, anyway, we soon come back to that. You can't believe me in a Burger King. After me go pay my floor bill, and I'm in a Burger King. And me top in a line over
in the
4
burger?
hours. No, girl, me couldn't top in a line no longer. Me not top in a line so long for me man, so me not top in a line so long for you. Nah, myself.
Alright. To it drop when me get full in my belly, mama.
How you drop on hood?
No, me just drop.
So why you walk so wide?
Oh man, come let me lick my back.
No, sir, come on, I road down there, that Umba bike can lick you. When the Umba bike lick you, man.
Oh, wait a now.
Why you walk so?
Me not understand so me drop. When I'm one good
What
go
kind
like.
of job you get, sir?
Me no know, I just drop my drop.
Jesus Christ, I never know something when I go back Umba bike.
You watch me with business too much, girl.
When you watch your business, you that boy you drop on your fan under you. A man you have run them in.
Me a fan myself, cause me hot. And I understand say drop give me a fever.
How you drop on the body?
Girl, me later. Come on, you give me man.
Girl, you say that start or something, maybe I start or something in a million and you want to tell me
No,
as
girl,
yet.
I drop me drop. Later.
Next time you take time and walk, say no job.
Alright.
Cause this a job and look normal.
Alright.
Look at your job, most money file in a million. No, which man that now?
How do you?
Good evening. I'm going to
Hold on. How do you, sir? Somebody attack you?
No.
The rifle to stay. Hey? You take too much ammunition. Eh? Oh God. Me not tell you, say, what you want look for, you go find a little girl. Eh? Man you want and man you get. How happened? How happened?
Like it is too big.
Lord Jesus. Look how you put your
Oh, baby, hurt me, mommy. Help me now.
Oh God.
Mommy, help me now.
No, we have to laugh. We have oh God. Oh, she want more than tea. Just no say. A stray bullet and thing you are bringing in, you not bring no belly in there, you know. You not bring no belly in there, you know. You are rifle like can't take shots. Even when man bust shot, you can't take it. That's why we did not warn you.
Hurry up now.
Hold on. Enough.
Okay, now hold door this you have. You can't pull it door.
Lord knows I don't piece of wood stiff. Oh, you can't push the door.
Who laugh last, but you know.
Eh, that's why we laugh now.
So go on. Mom, let me help you.
Help
Try in a
me.
my 60th, me still
Oh
stronger
God, oh God, yes, baby, because woman can't done. No matter how a born woman can't done, the truth.
Mommy, me go lie.
Oh God, lie down, hush. You take rifle like you take bullet away. We did warn you. Me never live through them your things, eh? That's why if you listen, little girl, if you listen, hard as picnic must feel. You just pick some bush. Yeah, girl, me hear you, me hear you. Yeah. Next week, me I got to go buy some goods. Wait, hold on. Hello. Yeah, what pepper? Me I come, me soon talk to you. Me will go to next week, man. Me soon talk to you, me will call you back. Me talk to somebody. One of my classmates for a long time. Yeah. Charlene, make your party for like an hour. Oh, I was miles away. True, was miles away. Personal. As you just stop me if you insult me, man. No, me not insult you. Me smell like personal. You just buy personal in your bag. No, candy. Alright. Eh? No. That's something I buy for my daughter. Something I buy for my daughter. I got a job. That's something I do. Something I buy for your daughter? Your daughter will they tell you to go suck your mama. You buy it and take it from your dash away. You come back. Oh, you know boss her ass, so you deal with that? Yes, man, me deal with her. Of course, me boss her ass. You don't believe it, no? Hey, that girl get to have lesson 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I don't know how much time. Charmaine, you are telling me you're afraid of your own daughter. Afraid of who? So, all your daughter feel look on you as a mother and tell you, SYM. Me go home and wait for her because she never did that. And when she come home and I go and boss me did have me bust her backside here and kick her in her SYM. Me deal with her. Take the pot and lick her in her head. Make she gain some sense. Because I realize that when they reach certain age, they want to talk to parents certain way. And any way. Worse when they see people. Love exalt their dirty self. And you bring them come here. And not them bring you come here. Stop making little girl choose she a big old girl and no one they take man before time. You make she come talk to you. Anyhow. She take after her papa though. If I did my daughter. You have daughter? No, me just tell her say if I did my daughter. Ring off in it like a chicken. Me I tell you. You play with me. But my situation, I have to kind of deal with her different, you know? Me deal with her. Hey, me I tell you, say, So now one buckle is you buy Christina like that. No, man, I'm not Christina. I buy me things for dinner and some painkiller for her.
No, say you know no gas. So they could have come borrow me cylinder. When they
No,
can't
it's
touch up with
alright.
fire.
Here, I know that.
And if rain fall and wait up you with them. And when you go down cook me love?
I know that. I know that. The girl, I go and hype on me. You don't know. You don't know what she done tell me already.
Where is it?
You don't know about the initial alphabet she tell me already. And I go and hype and I tell me say she want man cause she a big girl and I'm try one her from it. I tell you some buy painkiller and pills for her. Come in the other day. Hey, take wood too big for her.
Mara? Where you just
I saw
say?
she come in.
And you make she sleep in a your house?
Hey.
What you mean? She said so Anna look
Me
at
laugh to my belly bottom
I laugh.
Yes. Can't bodies pick must feel.
Come out of my place. She'd have to come out of my place. Me they tell her that. She'd have to come out of my place. You take her in, they walk so, and then they ring with you till you figure do right.
No man, that was before she learned her lesson.
Before, but you must remember say she did disrespect you that way there.
She learned her
And
lesson.
you learn which lesson. And come in and go so. In a fufa place. What kind of you're lucky you see my and walk them kind of way there. That means she got take big things that she cannot manage.
Say it's too big.
Yeah, again, I mean never did it. And so she say out her mouth. And she really have the heart stand up in front of you as her mother and tell you say, it is too big? I would have shut her one left hand.
Remember say.
I'm a left hand this. Right now I'm told you that. See me left hand. I would have gear it.
She took off her papa. She took off her dirty papa and
so what you going to do about it? Or she come in, she there in a fear house. We can't take them by care no man. I be a nice day come down and I make it back.
You must see one of them she had take bring on.
And that the little dirty ugly one they love enough woman and see me no know wife no back sit down. I love sitting to them adulterer. I'm married then love people who brought in. So, cause he have a woman, you know, I want next man woman. They love people woman too much.
You see them the man are wicked. They come in like her father. But you don't know the situation already. So hold on and get real.
Don't say that. When you see people, true you don't want to understand what they say. Act like I want bunch of grape you go buy and said, remember say a grape them did grape me.
So sometimes
say that. A grape they did grape me. Say that.
My father want me down.
Yo, say a grape they did grape me. What you say?
A grape then did grape me for sure.
Oh, come around with me, you know me turn from we there in the same class and you go like you idiot and name out me lunch. You.
How me if you
me give you some of me lunch and
you toughest girl in school.
No, you name out me lunch and me name out me lunch money and
then sitting there. That's why you accuse me wrong, you know. Everybody accuse me wrong. I'm tired
like few woman used to give you no book for come to school. Me remember them days about me and your friend still. Me still like you as a friend but you're an idiot. Let me go. Because you make your daughter turn you in a fool. Don't touch me. You have to stop from making little girl turn you in an idiot. Run him out of your place. You can go to him and them. Look how. Days Pitney, Poo Lily. You hear that? Days Pitney, Poo Lily. You warn her for a long time. No, she can take man and they come and tell you, it is too big. That you're a lick. Make sure you know it is too big. Anyway, where they go? Where they go?
I go back home.
I go back and make a phone call because I have one plan. I go to town and sit down and talk to one of my next friends.
You collect money?
No man, I have the money already. I go to town and maybe she won't come. So she did that talk to when you come right. So I go back and make a phone call and then where you say I do?
Why me I go home?
Alright, so little more out. No gear where you buy for her. Make she go make the big wood man where she take buy anything where she want for her.
She a learn one way or the other.
Alright. Call because guess what? The girl a wait for me, you know. Alright. Yes, hello. Where are you dealing?
Another day, another dollar. Another cleaning up. Oy. The big bag she throw out, so
Good morning.
morning.
Later.
Hi. We are go so early in the morning.
Mommy, every day I go somewhere ask you one question and you don't get an answer. You not give up yet?
Oh.
Me I go about my business.
Oh, so you have strong body now.
No, we're
Eh?
strong.
You never strong when you're coming. Baba! Oh God! You never strong then.
We're strong now.
And I lean pan
Give
me.
thanks to painkiller him where you can't come yesterday. But yes, now what go on?
So you not learn nothing from that, the experience.
No.
You gotta go back and do it again.
No,
and me must
me I
nurse
go up
you.
on the road, just see me see nobody. Me I go look for somebody. Stop questioning me. Me I go up on the road. End of discussion.
Nobody come back here with no broke up foot and broke up front, you know. And
come back-
nothing inside of the belly.
If me come back here, you know want me in here, you tell me.
Oh God, don't worry, me not shy. I try and but take a couple of hours.
I'm going to put on money. I'm pulling up, man. We in this together, you don't know that? The other day, I'm shaky.
I just pull a chat so I can look for yourself.
Alright.
What you do ya?
Girl, we come look for you.
No, girl, when they call, when normally I call for me, you text me or you call me and tell me say yeah.
Girl, me text you.
I say when me there, I don't feel like me don't answer.
Oh, you never want to tell me where they?
Me there, me here, I come me there.
See me here. Me come look for you, mommy, I go somewhere.
Where
Mommy, I
you
go on the
go?
road, girl.
Girl, could come in house look messy.
See you, man, them. Can't help you. Mommy, I go somewhere.
Alright. Me go leave me some come there. Me go use the bathroom.
Alright.
I'm going to feel back from go back. I don't want to piss take me.
Me out. Go on the road with her. Last time I walked through a shortcut and one link here.
Alright.
Yeah. Make sure you remember.
Alright, alone. B. Remember, clip the place, please, eh?
Alright.
Come.
Yeah, yeah.
That's me honey boy.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Alright,
Love it to me.
so come back. Come on, girl. So we are smile for?
What? Me can't smile.
When you want to say, we not to smile. Come on. Move, man.
You're not even let me sell yet, my God.
Oh yeah, go.
So where you are come from? Look. No, sir. So what kind of question this you can ask me? How where you are come from?
Yeah, look work that me depend on when I do. You take me out there, I go.
No, me think early morning people get up and go look work. How me even look for the time? So where you the farm when no matter what? You walk and look work. That doesn't mean to say you're not there your yard because you know how long me come up.
This morning, I have a 6 jump board. Say me I go and I come with the party and ready to make the sunshine. But me here go and work up in there so if they look for me and get it. You understand?
That's still not answer
I'm
why.
okay, I do
That's still not answer what happened right now. You know long me come and then I area you know how much time me go for your yard and look for you?
Me not go up a yard, me up on the road. They tell me for I got me can't sit down in the hot house every day.
The man is complicated bad.
Every time
You know say
every time.
something I go on with you know me can't understand you know, but you say anytime I find out.
You go about for your business, go and deal with your thing. When do you want me to slack up a yard and I do not wait for you to come back? Me have to get up and go hunt. Me have to get to put money in my pocket. Me need money.
Something strange I go on about you, but here what? You see anytime me find out, you're not gonna like it. You just not gonna like it, Toga. You see how me big? You see the type of one where you take up? I wonder if you know so me sit down pan you and broke all your neck.
Listen me. I don't know why you take me for a liar, you know. But all me I tell
You're lied long time and you not change. You just not change. There is something off about you, but me I go find out.
something about me for me go look
Yeah,
work.
something off about you.
For me go look work. I want construction site there up in the lane and the full. Something I get pick up and I me go and check out. I'm saying me I go back road there now.
So when since you walk a look work? When since?
Since we need money in our pocket. Me run out, my savings done.
Are you not give me none?
So all them burger.
No, you not give me no money in my hand. Burger no stand nothing. Where money they put in my hand. Me no want to spend money too.
I eat and spend for food.
Me no want to do my one little thing.
Food, you look in your mouth, everything. Don't go yard.
You see,
when you go
done.
up, you left with one bread and couple francs and fries left with you. 2 day time that done.
That no fit done in that 2 days.
Huh?
One bread, couple francs, 1 franc a day, 1 slice of bread.
And I throw me caution with it. Make it eat last 2 days. Caution with it.
Because you look like, as me say, something half about you. Somebody come in your yard and you mouth the goods them where they there. But me I go find out because 1 slice of bread a day can done 18 slice. That's a whole of 18 days.
Like
18 slice, 18
You
days.
come back down with some trust issues, you know. You did need to left. Where you come from, you left that. Left that way.
No, me can't let it as me come by here, me have to have it. Me have to have it because...
No argument and back and forth. You have to go down. Don't yard no. So if you come down here, you come down here. Where you
listen, here what you do. Go down to my sister, you see? And tell her, say, if send the same package, come give me. The same package me want. So you try go down there, go get it.
Listen, make sure
and go a yard.
There, she have it can come in like her back and forth the sister. Cause she look argument every time she see me. So make sure say she have
because if you have a problem, she must have an argument with you every time she see you have one bag of problem.
Just tell her say give her package. Give me a package today.
But yes, same package. This won't get where you look for. You wait, me I go up the road. But
Alright, girl. Shit.
Want me to want shit?
No, me left me money up on me yard on the bed.
You dey come figure a road and left money, Trish.
Girl, me never remember. And my phone come like me left.
Alright, me wait for you.
Yes, sir? No, you can't wait me. One day that team you.
This a girl call me out of my yard. Tell me see you left money and phone. You have a plan to you go somewhere?
Yeah, but me never.
Me I go to team you and wait for you. Remember say me want something and you want something.
Yeah,
but
just stay in there. Yeah, just stay in there. But our time we reach.
Don't turn long.
Yeah, man, but our time we reach. Go on in now, don't turn up.
Yeah.
If I want a quick move right now, I'm a friend. My friend me that come from, bro.
Can I quick move? Something you gonna do?
No, me not do nothing. Just upon a quick move. So you link you one of them there. No.
Yeah, man.
Yes, your sun hot.
At this time.
Where we are going? Hurry up, cause we can't believe that. Sometimes I feel like a blackmail, Me tell us I want quick move with the pan. A shortcut me just take.
We'll go back to the shortcut then.
No, me can't go back to the shortcut then now. With you.
Why?
I can't go back to the shortcut.
So you need to adjust for me I do something.
Hurry up, man. Hurry up. You can't tell us too long.
So, come on then.
Which part we are going to do it?
No, I need a shortcut.
Alright, come.
look a girl. Hold on there a minute. I want to ask you. You see one tall, nice, handsome black guy know about the place, yeah?
No. Then again, enough black handsome boy there on the place.
Anyway, my one very handsome, very nice.
Handsome one there on here.
I'm talking about my one.
Money would know your one and have a picture
So
of your
you
one.
know him and him kind of... Hold on, how much are you? Because for me tell you about him, you must know him.
see him there? You say him cute?
Oh, him.
Yeah, him. Oh, him.
Man,
oh, so you know him?
No.
Oh, you mean say you don't know
He
him?
come from Boya.
Him come and go to places, so you mean say you don't know him?
Yeah, because me just
I
not know him.
understand you. Yeah. Oh, him. Oh, him.
About yeah,
That
but kill
sound
me
like
because me say me
him.
don't know him.
You know him.
Where me know
That
him from?
sound like you know
Where
him.
me know him from?
So you go oh him. I don't
I'm the same
understand
black
that.
and handsome.
Oh, so yeah, one of them you love handsome man. But let me tell you something, girl. He look like my cheat, you know.
What's up?
But you see,
Lady,
any day me
question,
catch
you know
that the
me?
girl them,
You know
hold
me?
on. You see, any day me catch that the bitch there, she not like me. Come here, my rifle up on me hand, ready and waiting.
You know me?
You understand?
You know me?
You don't know you, but you would know my
But
man.
And if me know your man, it's still not safe to come to
Yeah,
me.
because you look like one of them type there.
Okay. then.
Walk and take people, man, are you that?
Miss, come straight with your facts because it seems like say your man a give you a bun and you want to come take it out from people when you sit on the road.
So any girl, you see, make her have an answer to my face. Because it now go pretty. As me said before, them have to answer to all my come pry from me go payak. Me go lick off that the head they clean.
So when you lick off the man head clean?
No, when me lick off him head clean, me go lick off any bitch where I take my man head clean.
So you're gonna let the man? You're very dumb. You hear man go on.
You go and call you rubbish. You look like you walk and take anything.
Tickers, rolling, niceness. See how I move the tickers.
So hold on there, you lose here? Wait.
You see like after you shot this,
But it looks so.
it looks so nice and round like tumbling. Yeah, I can't get to know you like I like to have you in my cage, like dude. Nah, I rest you still, but you know, some style.
This man here. You don't even ask me my name. You don't even ask me if I'm single, but you come out. What happened to you?
One man way name from look like America, he president your birth paper.
You know, say no man these days no bright up good. You look like you no grow with an appearance. You don't need some bright up, see.
Like when you look though. You know, you just stick on shit.
Well, the application failed already. I'm not single. I'm well taken. So, you can now excuse me.
So, you can't go on his side, you know.
Go do what?
You can't go on his side, you know, play football.
Well, there's a coach in me.
You can't get praise at the coach. The coach supposed to treat for right now. You know what I'm doing right now?
Me no business if I'm cheat or what. Me not ask you. Did I ask you any information?
I never know what your man do right now. Me they are so they see with the two eyes.
And what? And what?
And you reject me.
So tell me something. How your face become brown and your body? How you look so?
Talk about that, man.
Yeah, me I talk about that because right now, you're not in my category. You're not in my category right now.
Really?
Yeah.
You should have spit.
You're not up to my
You
standard.
should have spit in my face so that I did do enough. Me too
Right
enough.
in them, I should have
Me
spit.
too enough.
They are maga,
Boy, you
cranky,
feel
and
want
bony and
you
feel.
feel when breadfruit. just
That's
go
why when
put
you
your
see
splash
people,
out.
when you see people goods are road, leave it.
You feel a rough top.
Lick.
Your backside to one.
And what you favor?
You think me did want you?
What you favor?
You think me did want you?
So, and me first the
I
one.
practice, me not practice how to look man after you.
How to look about after me?
What you mean? Yeah, practice after you.
If this one woman dog a pass, you could have look she.
What me I do with her? What me I do with her?
Half a she.
Go and train and I'm
Use
going to
who?
off a black. You fat and sour, you feel a June plum and it spoil. Who you talk?
Oh my God, I really black your belly button. Oh, come on,
it is.
Service.
Hello.
Service.
Oi. You don't stay over here, sir.
Oh.
You don't stay shop lock. Just see with the open the shop door.
And ever close, man. Like son of business in my
They will keep business, but the people them busy and gonna look about other business. What is your problem?
My hot, man. My hot and tired. You alright?
No, I'm not alright. You know, some known stuff, you know, the silence are act upon me.
God, remember how you used to beat you bad.
I'm going to come out as a fan. Because you know, so I don't want to say for you, but you come and pass and I will eat straight like you don't see, but everything good.
No, I know that. We are wait for my daughter to come back to send her go shop and look like say she and her friend. I don't know, they're gone. You can't wait for her, come I want to eat something. Come down to get some salt and things for the cook.
What? So Shannon, the little salt on the gear from the before yesterday. As much salt you use to cook up the whole of that is all already?
It's only a little bit of salt you give me. And it's only a little bit of salt leave. That not go cook my pot.
I know yourself I do it, sure. You're crazy?
No, I'm not cooking plenty salt. But it's only a little chips you give me, you know.
People can yam fresh food. I'm going to taste better with little salt in
Exactly.
there. But you don't have to put so much salt in there. A pork you can.
Which pork?
No.
Hey, which pork? Don't mention pork to me right here.
You're lucky.
Mad.
There's some yam in your liquor.
Yeah, me used to that's before I turn rasta.
You just shut your mouth.
Yeah, I'm
and stop
putting
going
on
like you want to go on this.
And then your meat not that sweat.
Where are over here at Salah? I'm lending them money. I want it back. Right now I'm broke. I'm going to a doctor because the sinus are filling me up. Look how it's all up my eye. Look at it. See that?
Like say somebody licking at it.
Somebody not licking there. So the sinus, you know, like come like clog up. When you know it flowers them way I want to send a certain time. It come like you give me some allergy sick, like the smell kind of sweetish scent. Yeah, smell and it's probably see that's also. Yeah.
Okay. You have to go check me a little later and we go bank and dry it up for you.
What? That's it.
You have to check me a little later and we go bank and dry it up for you.
Draw it off me.
You know, just say you want the money for the doctor.
You have money about when I know you love exalted that you sell so. I mean I know say me and your friend for a long time, I mean I like you sure. You're too extra
You
man.
just hold on.
You're poor and bossy and your bossy body not see you come and shop. How much money you can come and shop? Trust you come to shop. Just show me money you can come and shop.
Hold on. That's why we don't like sit with you, you know. People can't stay tarry with you too long, you know.
You have a
Can you cross people's spirit?
No, you have a
just ask me back for the money you lend me. And I tell you so me can give it to you later and you cost me come here pay you
because
back.
a liar I tell. I whole if I time me ask the feet and you tell me the same thing. I mean now get back that day. So next time me just still have to take it. Don't do that. See shop the way you just come. And me call you when you hold your head straight like you not see me. Show me money where you can come to buy the salt. Liar.
Give me the salt, then show me the salt.
No, me have salt over
But if
here.
you're not shopkeeper, my business with the shopkeeper.
No man, since I know some big and bossy. Show me the money, $500. Show me the money where you can come to buy salt and shop.
Show me the salt.
I trust you come to check out the
Me,
people.
I'm proud the business is none of your business.
Yeah, then you come up and check out, go a bank, go jack and me, say me want money. You know no money in a bank.
You just love cross people's spirit, you know. That's why you couldn't make it before. And everybody treats you and everybody get more customers than you. You just lucky and get the right one, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I'm grateful. Set a John Craft for me give me salt, which they come a call show off now. You bought salt and money. You have a account in a bank?
Girl,
You good?
how long me I walk and come up the road, me no see where you up here from.
Actually, you're walking a blow. They come from the lane. Come here, sweat. You hot man.
My God.
So what you do? Stretch your legs.
Yeah, me I walk up and down. Because what I want to ask you. I'm going to show you.
I get to see him now.
Because I don't like me I walk up and down on the road there.
Make sure say him have clothes on me. I don't want to see no picture me not to see him.
Me not show you him but naked one. You might fall in love with what you see.
No,
You
sir.
just come up. See him there.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Him look nice.
Nice. So, they are walk up and down and look for you don't see me.
Me don't know that. Come again, me don't know that the face.
So you finna see no about ya. Girl, my man come and you come from boya. And my man come and say boat. So you and he can walk boat so.
Look how the
He
lane.
walk boat you see?
It develop, man. The lane develop. And with me
So
now,
you tell me say you never see my man yet? You never see that the man there?
I don't notice him.
Gonna be walk boat everywhere.
We just go out really early and in the afternoon. You see me like how you see me now? I shot me one go.
Every day in the on the road. Yeah.
I know it, bro. No look out for him though. And tell him say I look for him. So where you can't him still not answer the
I
phone?
would say not have him over there though. Cause if me I walk up and down all about I look for him and me can't find him.
See, obviously not right walking into the right place. You're not looking at the right place, man. You must come find him. Phone him. You still that
You
toilet?
see anybody make it with him?
Girl,
Me I go pop them.
you know say. Anyhow me here say you fight a girl and you not call me, you know. Anyhow me hear you bust a girl and you not call me. Me and you. Cause me dead feel.
So you not tell me already? So me know that, but right now me confused. Me just confused.
Oh God.
When it come on to my man, you know, girl, me no play, no. Me no play.
No.
Because me just know how it go. Right. This coming like a dog last and puss fine. You know what I mean? you know really last you know about puss fine. I go now panny. But
You'll find him, man. You'll find him.
so what you say I go now?
You run the girl shop. I just want two little things to put in the
Continue
box.
on. Me tired but me still a walk and look.
Alright, get a drink of water or something, man.
Alright,
and
that
hydrate
good, man.
yourself.
Me no want no water until me find him.
No, sir.
So you
Alright.
take care of yours.
Oh, we are doing so early.
Becky,
You know, normally come back so early, so we never
I say
expect
lock me
you.
out.
Lock you out, you're lucky. Me not lock you out.
Swap me out.
Tell me something. I hope you don't go on road and thief nobody man.
People man at the pan road. People man there yard with them man.
Eh?
Anybody at the pan road a free property?
That's what you think. That's what you think. You have to check the background. Huh?
What do you mean? So people man live on the inside.
Which part?
Single man live on the road
No.
trying to get a woman.
No. That is why you must do background check. Me even see my friend there. Me even see my friend earlier walk and I look for your man and for your head hot, you know. Her head
Oh,
hot
if you walk
and
out to
crazy.
fear man, and if fear man, then if you can't find him.
No, don't do it.
If me have a man, me have to know where my man is.
And certain people would acid and go crazy for them, man, you know. Make sure you do background check.
What time for that?
You take people, man. I mean, I know that they war. I mean, that's you say you can manage the war neither.
Why not?
You don't know what woman would do for them, man. Woman would go crazy for them, man, you know, baby.
Me not take nobody man, and even if me I take somebody man, and then nobody will go kill me.
Hi, me have a friend. Yeah, she have history. And she would unalive a woman for a man, you know. So, try no say. Any man you see, stay away from one big, tall, in thick and in black. No, which kind of man you like?
In do what?
In tall and in thick and in black. Tiny guy. Keep us from them the
So
kind
like
of man.
somebody with me know.
Try no say any man look after that. Keep north and south from them here.
Are you a man?
No,
Then-
but me know the woman.
One
Lisa.
son of your man is my man.
No, baby, you have to know how to box clever. You have to know how to do these things clever. You can't take people, man, and expect to walk free. Stay away from that one, me tell you.
What for dinner?
Better you go for a red man.
What for dinner?
go to the shop and I couldn't get something, so you just have to eat so food for the day because I couldn't get no something. Unless you want to go shop.
So do you never look?
Hey, you lock, but you know it's stiff. Come out next for me now, man. But you know it's stiff. Check, I'm gonna go around the back. Can't bother my hand wet. But remember, you know, the tea people, man, they don't want no war.
I'm not older than you. That a man them want.
Ready to set fire to that tonight, later. Alright. Shanice, where you go?
Hi, mommy.
Hold on, where you go?
Me go on the road. Tap me so.
Me I beg you, do me a favor, you know, fuck up on the road today. Me have a bad feeling.
Mommy, a night I come. Me need to up and go on the road.
No, man, me I beg you, don't go up on the road. Me
Why?
tired to talk to you. Find something doing at the house, man.
Mommy, me tired of the house.
No,
Me
man.
a piece of whole
From
cabinet.
me wake up this morning, a piece of bad feeling there on me. I me feel bad, I me feel
Go
wrong.
and go take a hand juice.
I
Me
know
not
that
hand
kind
juice.
of feeling. Me know when me get this feeling,
Oh,
girl.
man, you come
Something bad a go happen.
Anything bad for happen, I go happen. All if me stay in a piece of old cabinet, something bad still will happen. Me I go on the road and night I
No,
come.
you see when the ancestors them warn you, you have to take heed.
My God, the water, you know, a road me I go. Road me they go. Whether you like it or not, me will be back. Sure. God.
Ja, protect her. Our hair is tough, but protect her. Come, me no feel good, Lord. Me no feel good.
Kenna girl. What the phone door ever open? Okay, ever you come on the yard and not text me?
Me text you, but I want ticky.
Me come here tell you my place. Me tell you.
Oh, I saw me the way me go collect one piece of money. Yeah, girl, money land. No money. Yeah.
Money.
Yeah, want me to come collect. Hi.
How much?
You
No,
come
I'm
here
there.
tell me place. Money chance. Talk about the money.
No, you have to. I don't know. I told we are going to collect the money.
Oh. Make me go wash up my mouth just in case I have any.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Listen to me. I don't know why calling came about. Every time me I come over here, she over here. So me I go on the way, but me go last him this time again. Go last him, then me call him kill.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah, girl, you ready?
We soon come.
Alright.
Yeah, me last that. So I go out now.
Sure, last it.
Me last it, man. Me last that for good. No, me not look for you. So
Me did that, man. Me just have to fret, you know, because I'm mad at girl that, you know.
no, that not worry about me. So what? Me no want, you know, me see body.
So
You don't want nothing. You don't want nothing off your body.
You know, what's how you do it? God, that's the last.
Yes.
God,
You think I say it ever? Every day you walk. Yeah, maybe you want me to follow your bar road. Me go show follow me bar road. Move for me licking a few face with it.
No. What do you do that for?
Yeah? Maybe you want to do that for?